Hi everyone, and welcome to my video on the top 5 AI tools for image generation. In this video, I'll be discussing the most popular and powerful AI image generators available today. I'll also be talking about the features and benefits of each tool, so you can decide which one is right for you. What is an AI image generator? An AI image generator is a computer program that can create images from text descriptions. These programs use artificial intelligence to learn the relationship between text and images, so they can generate realistic and creative images based on your input. Now, before we continue, I'd like to encourage you to explore an exciting opportunity to grow your business online, reach financial freedom, or enhance your social marketing skills. There's an amazing e-learning platform that can help you achieve all of this and more. Whether you're an entrepreneur, marketer, or simply looking to expand your skill set, this platform offers valuable resources and training to boost your success in the digital world. To learn more about this fantastic e-learning opportunity and how it can benefit you, connect with me on Instagram. You can find the link in the channel bio. Don't miss out on this chance to take your online presence and business to the next level. Here are the top 5 AI image generators in 2023. DALL-E 2. DALL-E 2 is arguably the most popular AI image generator. It can generate realistic images from a wide variety of text descriptions. Midjourney. Midjourney is another powerful AI image generator that can create high-quality images in a variety of styles. Dream by WOMBO. Dream by WOMBO is a more casual AI image generator that's great for generating fun and creative images. But wait, there's more. If you're interested in exploring an incredible online work opportunity, work from the comfort of your home, just 1 to 2 hours a day, with weekly payments, I've got some exciting news for you. There's a government-registered platform waiting for you to discover. To learn more about this amazing opportunity, connect with me on Instagram. You'll find the link right in the bio section of my YouTube channel. Don't miss out on this chance to work smarter and enjoy the freedom of working from home. NightCafe. NightCafe is another popular image generator that can create realistic and artistic images. StarryAI. StarryAI is a unique AI image generator that can create abstract and dreamlike images. How to choose the right AI image generator for you. The best AI image generator for you will depend on your specific needs and preferences. Here are a few things to consider when choosing an AI image generator. The type of images you want to create. The level of realism you're looking for. The price of the tool. The features and functionality of the tool. I hope this video has helped you learn more about the top 5 AI tools for image generation. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow business enthusiasts, and hit that subscribe button for more data-driven content.